Question number 1. Where the first stadium of Assam was built? অসমৰ প্ৰথম ষ্টেডিয়াম ক'ত নিৰ্মাণ কৰা হৈছিল? Option A শিৱসাগৰ, Option B গোলাঘাট, Option C Guwahati and Option D Jorhat. So the correct answer is Option D Jorhat. Question number 2. On which date Bhogeswar Baruah's birthday is celebrated as Abhiruchi Sports Day in Assam? Option A 2nd February, Option B 16 June, Option C 3rd September and Option D 5th March. So the correct answer is Option C 3rd September. Question number 3. In which year Bhogeswar Baruah won gold medal as the first Assamese? Option A 1955, Option B 1966, Option C 1977 and Option D 1988. So the correct answer is Option B 1966. এতিয়া Bhogeswar Baruahৰ বিষয়ে আৰু কিছু জানি লওক। Bhogeswar Baruah won gold medal in 1966 Asian Games held in Bangkok, Thailand. He won the medal in an 800-meter running competition. Question number 4. Which award was received by Bhogeswar Baruah as the first ever Assamese? Option A Arjuna Award, Option B Padma Shri Award, Option C Bharat Ratna Award and Option D Padma Vibhushan Award. So the correct answer is Option A Arjuna Award. Question number 5. What is the nickname of Hima? Option A Swift Guard, Option B Dihing Express, Option C Assam Express and Option D Speed Runner. So the correct answer is Option B Dihing Express. Question number 6. When Hima won Arjuna Award? Option A year 2013, Option B year 2015, Option C year 2018 and Option D year 2021. So the correct answer is Option C year 2018. Question number 7. When Lavlina Borgohain won Arjuna Award? Option A year 2014, Option B year 2016, Option C year 2018 and Option D year 2020. So the correct answer is Option D year 2020. Question number 8. When Shiva Thapa won Arjuna Award? Option A year 2013, Option B year 2015, Option C year 2016 and Option D year 2018. So the correct answer is Option C year 2016. Question number 9. When Jayanto Talukdar won Arjuna Award? Option A year 2006, Option B year 2008, Option C year 2010 and Option D year 2012. So the correct answer is Option A year 2006. Question number 10. When Monalisha Mehta won Arjuna Award? Option A year 1966, Option B year 1987, Option C 2005 and Option D 2008. So the correct answer is Option B year 1987. Question number 11. What was the most popular sports magazine of Assam? Option A Sports Star, Option B Play, Option C Olympics and Option D Abhiruchi. So the correct answer is Option D Abhiruchi. Question number 12. The Bordoloi Trophy was first started in the year. Option A 1951, Option B 1952, Option C 1953 and Option D 1954. So the correct answer is Option B 1952. Question number 13. In which year National Games was held in Assam? Option A 2002, Option B 2005, Option C 2007 and Option D 2009. So the correct answer is Option C 2007. Question number 14. When was the Assam Football Association AFA formed in? Option A 1951, Option B 1952, Option C 1953 and Option D 1954. So the correct answer is Option A 1951. Question number 15. Between which teams the first one-day international match held in Guwahati? Option A India vs West Indies, Option B England vs West Indies, Option C Pakistan vs India and Option D Australia vs India. The correct answer is Option A India vs West Indies. ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিলে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি ৰাখিব লগতে শেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। Thank you for watching.